welcome back to my channel. Today's look features my friend Hallie, and I'll leave her Instagram down below, so don't forget to give her a follow. Today's look consists of a green smoky eye paired with an orange lip. The undertones are very warm and neutral, and I just think it's perfect for this time of year. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Starting out this video by priming with this Lancome primer. It's very moisturizing and it's an awesome base. Now going in with this pore perfecting primer to just smooth out her T-zone and to prepare it for foundation, which we're going to do after the eyes. Now I'm placing eyeshadow guards underneath her eyes to catch the fallout when we do the eyeshadow. Now taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I am priming her eyelids. Now going in with some pressed powder to set down that base. Setting down the base with powder will help with blending once we get into the eyeshadow. Now I'm taking two contour shades and mixing them, and I'm just mapping out her crease. Now going in with this Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Contour Palette, I'm taking the orange shade and I'm buffing that into the crease. Now going in with the Maybelline The City Mini Palette in Urban Jungle, I'm taking that green color and I'm packing that onto the outer V. And then I am going to drag this color also into the crease and blend that out. Now just going in with the original contour shades, I am making sure everything is blended and that there's no harsh lines. Now going back in with the Urban Jungle palette, I am taking the shimmery green and shimmery gold shade and I'm placing that in the center of the eye. Now I'm taking a light brown kohl pencil and I'm smudging that on the outer corner of her eye, winging it out to create that lifted appearance. Now since we are done with the eyes, I am taking the eyeshadow guards off and I'm going in with micellar water and I'm cleaning up any fallout and sharpening the outer corner. Now going in with mascara, I'm giving the top lashes a good coat before we go in with falsies. This look would look beautiful with only mascara, but I prefer amping the look up with false eyelashes, but it all depends on preference. Now going in with foundation, I'm taking the CoverGirl Outlast All Day Stay Fabulous Foundation, and I'm evenly coating that around the face. I would say this is a medium to full coverage. The first foundation was just a tad bit too light, so I'm mixing that with the darker foundation, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me. Now going in with the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector, I am canceling out any blue and purple tones that are underneath her eyes before we go in with concealer. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and I'm placing that on the high points of her face and underneath her eyes, and going ahead and blending that out. The face is looking a little bit flat, so I'm going in with contour and hitting the face at the usual spots, which is the top of the forehead, the cheekbones, underneath the jaw, and then a little on the nose to warm up the face. I'm going in with the smaller brush to contour the nose to make sure it's precise and that the lines are straight. Now since we are done with cream products, I'm going ahead and setting the T-zone and underneath the eyes to smooth everything out. Now taking a bigger brush, I am setting the rest of the face. Now going in with butter bronzer to set down the cream contour, I am warming up the face. I highly recommend this bronzer. It smells so good. It smells like you're on a tropical island. Now going in with the NYX Finishing Powder in Banana, I'm just brightening up the parts of her face that we previously highlighted with concealer. To bring more life back into the face, I'm using the Milani Rose Dior blush on the apples of her cheeks. To set everything, I'm going in with the NYX Matte Finishing Spray. Now back to the eyes, I'm taking the Maybelline Urban Jungle palette and I am taking the matte green shade and smoking that out underneath the eye. Now I'm taking the gold shade and I'm placing that in the inner corner of the eye. Going back with the contour shades, I'm taking that and smoking out the lower lash line to ensure there's no harsh lines. Now taking the highlighter shade from the Urban Jungle palette, I am highlighting the brow bone and then the inner corner to finish off the eyes. Now going in with liquid eyeliner, I'm drawing a thin line on the base of the lashes to make the lashes appear thicker and to cover up any glue from the falsies. Now going in and filling in the brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in soft brown, and I'm filling in any sparse areas. Now I'm coating the top and bottom lashes with mascara, which will help the natural lashes blend in with the falsies. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Highlighter Duo in the shades Mean Money and Hustler Baby. And I'm focusing this on the high points of the face, placing the highlighter on the cheekbones, above the eyebrow, forehead, nose, little on the upper lip and the chin. To set the eyebrows, I'm going in with the Maybelline Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara, which has fibers in it, so it makes the eyebrows look very bushy and natural. Now going in with the Jordana Lip Liner in Tawny, I am overdrawing the lips. To finish off the lips, I'm using this Dose of Colors Satin Lipstick. This lipstick is a nude orange and it pairs with the eyes perfectly, gives me fall and earthy tone vibes. This makeup look looked stunning on Hallie and I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.